Hello YouTube, why hydrangeas don't bloom and what you can do about it, important tips from gardening experts. Hydrangea in full bloom is one of the most beautiful plants that can be grown in our gardens. Hydrangeas are a favorite plant for many gardeners. Someone likes white, someone changes color from blue to pink. But why some hydrangeas do not bloom every year and what can be done about it, not everyone knows. Garden experts believe that if a hydrangea is not blooming, it only takes 3 simple steps to fix the problem. Choose the right hydrangea variety. Before buying a hydrangea, ask what climate zone is recommended for this plant to make sure you have the right variety for your area. If your hydrangea isn't blooming, it's often because you've chosen the wrong variety. Some varieties of hydrangea grow flowers on new wood, and some on old wood. If your hydrangea is not blooming, you need to find out what variety you have. What type of hydrangea can skip flowering? Hydrangeas that bloom on freshly grown branches do not cause much problems with flowering. But there are hydrangeas that tend to die off at the base of the earth in cold winters. If all the old branches of such a hydrangea freeze, the bush will not bloom, because it will be busy growing new branches. In this type of hydrangea, flowers do not form on newly grown shoots. They appear only on old stems, respectively. On newly grown branches, flowers will appear only after a year. Wrap your hydrangea for the winter. If you have a hydrangea that blooms only on old shoots, the main task will be to protect the hydrangeas from frost and low temperatures in winter. To do this, in late autumn, buy a special bag or agrofiber and wrap the hydrangea for the winter. Do not neglect the mulch, it will protect the plant from freezing, especially if you pour a small pile around the bush at the end of autumn. Don't overdo trimming. If you have a hydrangea that is not blooming, you may have cut it too much last year. Often hydrangeas that do not produce flowers are pruned in early summer and late winter. If over-pruned, they will tend to die off more than usual and make you wait a whole year before they bloom again. Prune hydrangeas only in the spring, when you can see which branches will definitely not sprout. Trim only them and only the part that is definitely dead. Add phosphorus. Finally, if your hydrangeas aren't blooming for any of the reasons listed above, you might want to test the soil. If your soil is high in nitrogen, the hydrangea may have lush greenery and no flowers. Hydrangeas, like many other flowering plants, need phosphorus to bloom well. Adding bone meal is a great way to increase the phosphorus content of your soil. Also keep this in mind when choosing a fertilizer for your plants. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.